Section 5.1 Interactive Assignment Objective 1. Suppose you physically simulate the random process of rolling a single die. In Part A it says, after 10 rolls of the die, you observe a 1 2 times. What proportion of the rolls resulted in a 1? And then after 20 rolls of the die, you observe a 1 3 times. So what proportion of the rolls resulted in a 1? So here is our question. Now remember, the proportion of rolls observed is the relative frequency for that outcome. We want to compute the probability using the empirical approach, which states that the probability of an event E occurring is approximately the number of times event E is observed divided by the number of repetitions or trials of the experiment as shown in the formula below. So the probability of E is equal to the relative frequency of E, which is equal to the frequency of that event E divided by the number of trials of the experiment. Okay, so recall that we want to know, the fact that event E is how many rolls resulting in a 1. So the probability of E is resulting, so rolls resulting in a 1. So that means that we have the probability of that event E. So the probability of that event E, is telling us how many times do we observe a 1? Well, you observe a 1 2 times. So therefore 2 is in the numerator. And how many rolls are there? Well, there's 10 rolls. So therefore 2 over 10 is going to give us 0.2. Okay, next it's telling us after 20 rolls of the die, you observe a 1, in this case, 3 times. Okay, what proportion of the rolls resulted in a 1? So again, it is the same event here. So we see that E represents a rolls that results in a 1. And again, what we're trying to do is we're trying to find the probability of that event E. Okay, so how many times did we observe a 1 being rolled? Well, we observed 3 times, so therefore it's 3 in the numerator. And then we're dividing about how many rolls there were of the die, which is 20. So 3 over 20 is equal to 0.15. And therefore, putting in our answer, the proportion was 0.2, and the portion was 0.15, and there is our result.